Yo, what's up, guys? Welcome to the Product Village. My name is Nathan Flow Rocker. Today, we're going to be reviewing something pretty different. This is from a company called Fifine. Now, this is a Chinese company that is involved in audio mixers, headphones, microphones, and tons of audio gear. What I love most about this company is the fact that their stuff is very affordable. So if you're looking for great equipment, especially audio equipment, and you're looking for a company that can actually give you very good prices, this company is pretty good. I've reviewed quite a number of their gears. In fact, recently, I think the one I reviewed was the H13 gaming headset. I usually don't like headsets that have like microphones on their inside, but this particular one, I really loved it. If you haven't watched it, you can use the link above and watch it. But today we're going to be talking about webcams, right? And here with me, I have the Fifine K420 portable HD webcam. Like I said, Fifine sent this to me. As most of their stuff is usually good, so I want to presume that this is also going to be good. I'm really hoping not to be disappointed by this. All right, so let's unbox and let me tell you guys what we have in the box. In the box of the Fifine K420 portable HD webcam, we have one USB webcam that has a privacy cover right on top of it, and then we have a user manual and a tripod stand. The Fifine K420 captures a detailed 1440p video at 30 frames per second with automatic low light correction with adjust brightness and color balance in dimly lit rooms. For the wide lens, it has a 108 fixed focus lens that provides a wide perspective. In terms of audio, it features a built-in omnidirectional microphone that is designed to suppress background noise. For privacy and placement, the camera includes a physical sliding privacy shutter. The base allows for a 360-degree horizontal rotation and can be mounted on your monitor, placed on a desk, or attached to the included tripod for versatility. Now, the way I connected the Fifine K420 to my MacBook Pro was to use a hub. Now, the cable that comes with it is a USB Type-A. My laptop only uses Type-C, so I had to get a USB hub to be able to connect it. Now, once you've connected it to your system, you get a red light. But the moment you are live, then it goes green. Now, what you're looking at right now is me recording my screen. And to be honest, I'm surprised. Now, I say I'm surprised because I really wasn't expecting the quality to actually look this good for 2K. I mean, I'm looking at it on my screen right here. There's just one major snag that I noticed even after setting up, and that's the fact that you do not have any control whatsoever on the exposure, the contrast, the highlights, the shadows. You have no control over those at all. So it's a bit washed out, if you're using it. So your lighting has to be good if you're going to be using this camera. Otherwise, you might not really enjoy it per se. Now, the mic I'm using right now is my own personal mic. I'm using the Shure right now. But what you're listening to right now is what it sounds like when you're using the microphone itself. I mean, the microphone isn't bad, but really I'm a fan of always having an external microphone. You always get way better audio, especially if you intend to use it for post-production. But overall, it's impressive, honestly speaking. I mean, I really didn't have high hopes, but looking at it right now, I don't think it's really bad. Besides the exposure, contrast, highlights, I think it would be nice if Fifine could just work on that. I think it really wouldn't be bad. But overall, I think it's not bad. Honestly, I think it's a good webcam. Overall, I think the Fifine K420 portable HD webcam isn't bad. The question you'll be asking yourself is, who is this actually for? I would say it's good for Zoom meetings, FaceTime. You may want to use it with your photo booth on your laptop, but it's not really cut out for professional use, especially because you actually can't even... I opened it on OBS, but I couldn't, touch, the exposure, contrast, brightness, shadow. I mean, you don't have access to any of those things. Hopefully with an update, Fifine may be able to make that available, and then I think the camera will do very well. Now, in terms of pricing, the Fifine K420 goes for $44. I would call that pretty affordable. Of course, it doesn't knock out the high-end, webcams out there. I don't think Fifine make this to compete with those. I think this is very good entry level for anyone who needs a webcam for basic use, but not professional use. But what do you guys think? Do you think you would want to buy yourself this kind of webcam? And based on the review, what would you say are the issues? I would really love to know in the comment section. Once again, shout out to Fifine for sending me this. I'm sorry it took forever for me to actually get this done, but I'm happy eventually I could get this done. Like I said, Fifine makes some very good products out there. I think you should check out their catalog. They do have some good goods out there, some great gears out there. And until the next one, I think I'll see you guys. All right? Ciao.